Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have our parcel from Australia. Thanks to our fam. And now we get to open up.
They're so excited to see us in the box. Alright!
Yeah.
First one is Pillow. Hi, Mrs. Penny. Oh, what is that?
What was that?
Hey!
It's so stale.
What do you want to say? So we should get the card.
This is cereal that I bought from Costco and no one liked it. Oh, there's a whole other
Oh my god! Okay, this has my name on it, so I assume this is for me. Looks like there's more wings.
A mint slice.
Oh, mint slice.
Mm.
Kilo from
Oh, it's a chocolate.
Not a chocolate.
It's all melted, but that's okay.
Kuya AJ.
And more whippings!
Another with Bigs.
I don't find it! It's Christmas!
What is that?
Sophie, Bigs.
Cookies!
Greg, that.
No
Greg wrap
way.
it for you.
Oh my gosh, 1, 2, 8 seconds.
Enjoy any from me.
Oh my gosh, time to be healthy, guys. Is it nice? Oh my gosh, 5 minutes!
You got an empty packet of Mentos.
Oh, I forgot about my YouTube channel. We're feeling excited. Oh my gosh, what's in here?
My partner's are here.
Clothes!
And popcorn. And waffles.
Yay.
Yes.
It's sweet and sour sauce. It's a whole bag of sweet and sour sauce. And we have some more biscuits and TV snacks.
TV.
Oh, yum.
And Black Forest chocolate. And then something for my nana.
Oh my gosh.
Tim Tams!
Yay! No one will.
Now I
Still.
can find out who ate the other packet.
Open the cookie.
Jen Moreno said, open the cookie. Look at the cookies right now, Amy.
Is that your sister?
There's something important on the cookies?
Huh?
There's something important on the cookies?
Yeah. And read it.
Oh. You want the
Read
knife?
that.
And that's a wrap of all our stuff. Thanks for watching. Emily's already deep down into her things, as you can see. And see you soon, Australia. But for now,
See you.
we're in the Philippines. Peace out. This is where we're doing our children's program today. In someone's. So first they come inside, they shall pray. Will you tell the story, right? So little story and dance together. Already good. The facial that is required in the store.
Bigyan na kayo facial namin. Dito lang muna kami.
So we're in some place where people have been buried and we're doing ministry here. So it happens in the North Manila Cemetery.
At kasama namin sila, Ate Sophie. Ako pala si Kuya Arman. Anong pangalan ko? siya, si Ate? Nakalimutan nyo? Ate Cathy. Ate Katie. Kayo ma, ate? Katie. Isa ba, ate? Ayan, very good. Tapos si Kuya? Si Kuya? Okay, ulit nga. Si ate? Kuya? Kuya Arman. Tapos, Kuya? And ate? Katie. So,
Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much for coming today.
salamat sa pagpunta dito ngayon.
We want to bless you with special treat today.
Gusto namin kayong i-bless ng special.
May